The ball is kicked from a point A with an initial velocity of 10 meters per second. Determine the range and the speed when the ball strikes the ground. First, let's separate the initial velocity into x and y components. So if that's a 10, and we have a 30-degree angle, the cosine of 30 is 0.866, so this is 8.66. And the sine is 0.5, so this is 5. Next, let's look at the y, because if we look at the y component, it's going to go up, it's going to come back down, and that's going to give us our time of flight. So starting with the y equals y naught plus y naught in the y, t plus 1/2 at squared. And then 0, because it's going to end up back at the ground. It started at the ground. The initial velocity of the y is 5. The time of flight is there. And we're going to switch this to negative. A is a negative 9.81. So 1/2 9.81 t squared. This is a quadratic. It's going to give us 2 times because it was on the ground twice. So it's going to give us a time of 0. And that one can clearly just factor out a t. And so we get 0 is 5 minus 4.9 t. And t equals 1.02 seconds. Then looking at the x, how far will it go in that time? The x equals v naught x t, and v naught is 8.66, t is 1.02, and the range is going to be 8.83 meters.